This is a 576 XP I'd gotten from a guy. Piston was scored. Cylinder was pretty good shape. I cleaned it up. New OEM piston and rings in it. Did a little bit of porting on the lower transfers. I think I did a little bit of work on the exhaust too. Had an issue a few minutes ago with the impulse line. I forgot to hook that up initially, and it just wasn't running right, so I pulled it apart, got it back together, and seems like it's running pretty good now. Check it out. So on this one, I rebuilt the carb, new fuel line, fuel filter, spark plug, and I think what else there might have been. New rim sprocket. So I think based on the way it's running right now, we'll have to get it in some wood here and see how it does in the next week or so.